everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. So this is a Studio Light die cut block to make 6 complete cards. This one's called In Loving Memory, and I thought we'd have a go at making the 6 cards over the next 6 videos. I've had to find something that's a little bit shorter to make because I'm revamping the craft room and going through everything, and obviously it looks an absolute shambles until you get everything in the right place, so I can't really find much at the moment. But having said that, I came across this, and you know I love a challenge with a craft kit. So let's have a look at it. So it makes 6 complete cards, it says. So I take it there's, how many pages have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so it's 2 per card. On the back you get an idea of the cards they're talking about and how they're supposed to look. So what we'll do is take the first 2 and use them as a basis for the first card. Oh, I see. What they've done is they've given you an English page and a German page by the look of it. That's in German, that's in English. Yeah, so you get a German page and an English page. Okay, not quite sure what I'm going to do with the German one, but of course you can use the background and things to add to the card regardless. So we're going to take a 6 by 6. Right, there we go, 6 by 6. I'm going to have to fish some more out. Right, I've no idea what card company this has come from. Obviously you can make your own 6 by 6 base. It's easy enough to do. But I do like these pre-scored ones for convenience. Okay, so we're going to use that as the background. And we've got various pieces, so it looks like we're layering them up. You can have the brown strip at the top or the bottom. I think we're going to have it at the top. So we'll glue that on. And we've got tulip in a vase, some note paper and leaves, some large paper, individual floral arrangements, some little buttons. And this one you've got butterfly. So you've got quite a few pieces to use, in all fairness. So then of course we're going to layer it with the next piece. And I'm not sure whether we'll use the entire amount they've given us, but let's just see what we can create from it. So obviously again, this card kit doesn't come with any glue or double-sided tape, anything like that, so you have to provide that yourself. I'm going to layer that halfway up there, and then let's have, I'm going to take the vase from this side and put it in this corner. So you can actually create quite a nice layout with this. just 2 pages. Gonna put that there. You've already got your sentiment thinking of you on the front. Now you know me, I'd love to go around with a border and add a couple more things to the edging, but we're only using what we've been supplied. I'm going to put the butterfly on the corner there. Like that. We've got a couple of, they look like buttons. Not sure what they are. Don't like those. No, we're not going to use those for this one anyway. And of course, once you've used the first 2, whatever you've got left, you can add to the next one. I think we might just have the leaves. And I mean, along the lines of the layering up with a lot of these products now, in no time you get a card. Should have put that behind the vase. Like that. No, that won't fit. Okay, let's not bother with that. Let's try this one. And of course you can play around, you can move things about. They don't look right on the outside. Try them on the inside. Don't think that looks right in there. No. Right, so we need something, just something next to the vase there. Let's try these ones. These look like little buttons. They're very tiny, but they look like buttons, I think. So we just overlap them now, put them down near the vase. That actually is quite a nice little card. And you can make these card kits up. I mentioned this before. You can make these card kits up in no time at all. Keep them in your stash and you've got ready-made cards for any event. There we go. I think that's all we'll have on the outside. And that's quite nice, in all fairness. So inside, I think I'm going to put the flowers and the leaf just on the bottom here. We've got something we can put over that. Oh, actually, let's take the big piece. And let's have it on the left side. We could actually put that inside for somewhere to write on. Or a sentiment, another sentiment. That's a good idea. That would look nice there. And on this other one, what else have we got there? Oh, we've got another little leaf there. Well, I have to say, it does come with quite a lot of extra pieces to use. I mean, that's really good. I'm going to put that leaf on the front, just under the buttons. And I've just noticed there's yet another leaf on that other page. So I'm just going to put that just under the button on the front there. And you wouldn't even tell that they're overlapped, to be honest. I don't think. They merge that well. That's really nice. I like that. And on here, I want to add a leaf or... Oh, that'd be nice there. We'll add that leaf. Well, that's really impressive, I feel, out of a simple kit. And all you really need is some glue. There we go. Let's just mop the excess up. Like that. And then we've got one more leaf on here. We've actually even got a little peg. I didn't... Oh, I've torn the leaf. Let's not bother with that then. There is an actual little peg here, which I might put in that corner. So, yeah, be more careful than me when you take the pieces out, because they tear, obviously. And they're not very flimsy. They're made from quite a substantial card. Okay, so I'm going to put the leaf with the peg there. The flower with the peg there. I think that's enough. So that is it for the first one. I mean, I'm really pleased with that, actually, from a card kit. You would not have believed that that came out of 2 sheets. And that's what, a 10-minute card. So yeah, so far so good. Next video we'll move on to the next pages. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you for subscribing. I cannot thank you enough for taking the time, and for your likes and for your comments. It means such a lot to me. You just wouldn't believe. Gives me the incentive to keep going, and when you're making a video a day, you really need extra support. And when I see that you go out of your way to actually view them, it's amazing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this one. Look out for the next one, and I'll see you soon. Bye.